What's up, Rangers? It's your boy Mighty Morphin Mickey here with another unboxing and a review video. Today we have the Power Rangers Dino Charge Helmet Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so let's start off with looking at the box. We got a great picture of Tyler here with his charger. We have the Tyrannosaurus sign right here. I like the colors. You know, a lot of people complain about the open face, but technically this isn't an open face, it's closed box, but I mean you can see through it. But honestly, I like it. I really like it. They said it is supposed to be kids proof, so I have a 4-year-old daughter, so I know she'll definitely have fun throwing this around. And we're both clumsy, so I'm gonna knock this down a couple times. I know she's gonna knock it down a lot. But I really like it. It says it's compatible with iPhone, Android, and tablets. You can use it with while you're talking on the phone, rechargeable battery, and it's rugged. And we have another sticker showing that it's kids proof. On the back it just gives its nice little specs, and then it gives a story on Dino Charge. And it has your other Rangers here. You got the speaker on top. Nothing on the bottom. Alright. Got my scissors here. Let's get into it. Ripped it a little bit. There's the top. Okay. This is actually really nice. This is pretty dope. And the good thing about this is when I'm not using it, I can put it right up there with my other helmets and it'll blend right in. Okay, so, alright, here's your charger port, here's the phone connector button, here is aux cord port, and here's the on off button. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's pretty loud. Now let's hook it up to my phone. This is me and my daughter for Halloween. Let's see. And it comes in as, let's see if you can see that. Power range speaker. There we go. Let's connect it. Alright. Okay. Let's hear how it sounds. Now that's all I'm gonna play, just because I don't want there to ever be any type of like copyright problems or anything. So I'm only gonna play just a little snippet, just so that way you'll be able to really hear what it sounds like. So with that being said, I guess this is the end of my review. If you have one of these, comment on the bottom. Let me know how you like it. If you want to get one, I got this from Toys R Us. The Toys R Us around my way is going out of business. So I got it on a steal. You can actually go to my Instagram page and see my last video that I did and my what are those called, the stories or the highlights, and it'll show how the shelves looked inside Toys R Us. Oh my goodness, I'm really about to cry when I think about Toys R Us. It sucks. It absolutely sucks because that's like everybody's childhood. But I digress. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment, say hey, how's it going? And please check out my Instagram, just like my YouTube channel. It's also at Mighty Morphin Mickey, MIGHTY MORPHIN MICKY. Hit me up. So, under the helmet, when you take this thing out, there's a box inside, which I didn't realize until after filming this video. And that's where the USB cord, the aux cord, and the instructions. That's where all of that is.